BlockLang Scam Checker, now live on the web. Go to www.app.blocklang.org and see it in action. Start by visiting the How It Works section. It's quick and easy. Learn how to understand your scan results. Discover what exactly we check and how it helps you stay safe. Need answers? Check our FAQ. It covers the most common questions. Your privacy matters. Visit our privacy policy to see how we protect your data. We're transparent. You'll know what data we collect and what we never collect. Our terms of use are clear and fair. No hidden tricks. Got questions or ideas? Head over to our contact page. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's explore how to use BlockLang Scam Checker. Enter or paste a domain name into the search field, then complete the reCAPTCHA, just to confirm you're human, and click Scan Now, and let our system do the work. In a few seconds, your results will appear. Read them carefully. Make an informed choice. Green means safe, red means dangerous. It's that simple. A clean, simple, and intuitive design, built for everyone. Sometimes results can be off. False positives or negatives happen. That's why your feedback matters. If something looks wrong, report it. Our team reviews every case. Like what we do? Try our browser extensions for 24/7 scam protection. BlockLang. Your search, your rules. Follow BlockLang on social media. Stay informed, stay protected.